Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, I am Madhura and today we are making sponge dosa, also known as set dosa. It is known as set dosa as this dosa is served in a set of 3 dosas per serving. It is so soft, nice, and it gets nice tiny bubbles all over this dosa. So for the batter we need 2 cups of rice. So here I am using this Sona Masoor rice. In that add in 1/4 cup of Urad dal. Mix that in. You don't need to soak rice and dal separately for this dosa. Now add lots of water and rinse this rice and dal together at least 2 to 3 times. Now in this rice and dal add in methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. Add water and let this rice and dal soak together for at least 5 to 6 hours. Our soaked rice is getting almost ready. Now our next step is to take a cup of thick poha in a bowl. To that add half cup of dahi, that is yogurt, and half cup water. Mix that together and let this poha get soaked with this yogurt for just about 10 minutes. Alright, so here I have soaked this poha for just about 10 minutes now, and also here this dal, rice and fenugreek seeds has been soaked for about 5 hours. Now let's take that into a blender jar. So I'm going to grind this in 2 batches, and in this add in this soaked poha, half of the soaked poha. Also add in some water. Now let's grind this to make this into a smooth batter. Now here is batter is ready. It is nice and smooth. Now let's pour that into a big pot or bowl. Now our next step is similarly we are going to blend our rest of the mixture. So all the batter is ready. Now in this I am going to add salt to taste, about a teaspoon or so. Give that a mix. Now for making sweet dosa we need little bit of runny batter and not too thick. So if you check the consistency, this is more on liquid side. Mix it really well. After that's well mixed, cover this and allow this to ferment for at least 8 to 10 hours or overnight is much better. Alright, so over here I let this batter ferment overnight. And look at that, it has risen really well. Perfect. Now with the help of spoon, give this one gentle stir. That's it. Now it's ready to go over skillet. So to get that nice tiny bubbles all over your dosa, what you need to do, you need to heat up your pan on really high heat at first. After heating a pan really well, lower down the heat to medium and then add in few drops of oil. Just spread it all around the pan and with the help of tissue paper just wipe out this oil. Now this step is necessary. This way you get that nice even golden color to your dosa. Now take a ladle full of this batter. Superb. And as soon as you pour this batter, you can see these nice tiny bubbles start to appear all around the surface of this dosa. Lovely. Now let the surface of this dosa get dry out completely. Generally sponge dosa is cooked from one side only, but I prefer to cook for just about a few seconds from both the sides. So I am going to drizzle some oil around the dosa. Now let's give this a flip and allow this to cook from other side for just about 20 to 30 seconds. And you can see that nice even golden color at the bottom of this sponge dosa or sage dosa. Lovely. It has turned nice, soft and spongy. Ooh. Superb. Look at this. Look at the bubbles it has got all over this dosa, and this soft texture and even golden color. Since sage dosa is served in 3 batches, since this sage dosa is generally served in the batches of 3 dosas per serving, I am going to make 3 dosas. Alright, and here this sponge dosa is all ready, and let's take a look. It has got this nice awesome tiny bubbles all around the dosa, and plus it has turned nice and soft, and it has got this awesome even golden color at the bottom of this dosa. It's nice and spongy. I can't wait to have a bite. It's perfectly soft. It just melts in your mouth. So you will find the recipe for this coconut chutney on website as well as on YouTube. Just browse that using the tag Madhuras Recipe. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.